One key thing that you helped me get started with was in-person networking, which I hadn't thought of before. And so I just started looking for in-person networking opportunities and ended up joining two groups or organizations and started making great connections. Got a client right away with one of the first groups that I joined. It just changed my world because I got to get out of the house and I got to connect with other entrepreneurs and I got to find like peers, other people who are doing similar things that I'm doing, the whole entrepreneurship community, I guess. And it just felt so good to get out of the house, to be with other people live and in person. It brought so much light and brightness, I guess, that I was missing.
You also have a workshop coming up in a yoga studio, and you were branching out there too. How are you feeling about that?
Yeah, super excited.
Mhm.
That's another thing that you helped me figure out to do, which I never ever even thought of doing something like that. I have a background in yoga, but I haven't been practicing it. I teach mindfulness and meditation, and I include mindful movement in what I teach. But I just never thought that a yoga studio was a place for me, even though I have a yoga teacher certification. I don't know what the block was, but that was another thing that we worked on together and that you got me doing.
And also, you're on fire online, like posting so much more. For some reason, the way the algorithm works is you pop up more in my Facebook algorithm than my Instagram algorithm, but I always see people cheering you on like that. How does that feel?
That feels great. I'm posting more than I've ever posted before. I'm doing the Instagram clinic with you too. And in our coaching, we work on Instagram and posting. And now I'm posting to Facebook and LinkedIn. It feels great. And I'm doing it all faster than I've ever done before because of your coaching. I posted 4 stories this last week. Before working with you, I never posted a story ever. And it's just so nice to see, like you said, people interacting and the hearts and the love and the people paying attention. To speak to the power of coaching, to be coaching with you too, just how personalized it is. You saw that that's what I needed at that time. And so we implemented those pieces when the time was right. There's just nothing, I just don't think there's anything better that you can do than have someone who's coaching you and who can see exactly what you need in the moment when you need it. It has shifted things in an incredible way, in a huge shift. Yeah, it's been incredibly impactful. Like I feel better. I'm excited to get up. I've always been excited about my work and love the work that I do. It was just like, when is this going to work? When is everything going to
Yes.
work? I'm getting a little bit emotional, but I was maybe like starting to lose hope. It just brought all the hope back. It just brought all the light and all the brightness and all the energy back. And for the first time, it feels like, or it felt like, okay, I'm really doing this. Yeah, this is how you do it. It feels really real. Whereas before, I knew I was doing it, but it just felt like something was missing. Like I wasn't quite there. And now it feels like, okay, this is how you do it. This is how you run a business. This is how you run a hybrid wellness business that's on purpose and on mission. The ultimate absolute best thing you can do is to have someone work one-on-one with you, is to work with a coach, is to work with you, like work with Allison. I mean, there's no one better. If someone feels the connection and wants to do the hybrid wellness business, work with Allison, work with someone who's going to work with you personalized one-on-one and finding, I think, something that's super niched, like the work that you do. Because I had a business coach before, and that work was amazing. It was absolutely great, but it wasn't as specific and it wasn't as personalized. It was a lot of mindset work, and I think that's why I have kept going, even though things got really hard at times. But this is just like skyrocketing, the personalization. The value of working with a coach, especially someone like you, especially working with Allison, it's priceless because it's so personalized. Every week, I know that whatever didn't work, I can bring to the calls and we'll work on it together.
We just started working together. How long ago? When do you remember when we started? I
I
can look it
think
up.
I think we're at about 3 months.
Yeah, so like big changes in 3 months, so it doesn't have to take
I
forever.
mean, the big changes started happening within the first month, I would say. And
Mhm.
then within the second month, and we didn't even talk about everything that I have lined up. Like I have that workshop at the yoga studio coming up, but I have several other workshops and speaking gigs and workshops for another organization. Yeah, so there's just so many things that are already in the works.
So, what would you say to someone, or any parting words of wisdom to someone that is like you 4, 5, 6 months ago?
If they're considering working with you at all, I would say do the
Mhm.
consultation. Do what Allison says and do the free consultation. Just sign up and do it. If you're thinking about it at all and you're waiting for some day or I don't know, a special moment, just stop waiting and just do it. There's no drawbacks. There's nothing to lose. It's a free consultation and there's no sales pressure on it. I felt so comfortable and I
Mhm.
took my time to make the decision. And you genuinely help us, your clients and your consults figure out if it really is the right decision for you. So that alleviates all the pressure. So I would say that and just get started ASAP. You'll be so glad you did. Because I wish that I had done it so much sooner. I wish I did it the first day that I had the idea. Like maybe I should have a
Mhm.
consultation. So that, and then just keep going, just keep putting one step in front of the other. Get support, get involved with peers in the community if that's something that's missing, and just keep putting one step in front of the other.